afternoon in my place.
I'm
I'm Ronald
sorry.
Dapo.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Ronald, I'm 42 years old. I am the
Mm-hmm.
Philippines. I'm from the Philippines.
Okay. Is this your first time in episode and in this platform?
Yeah, not first time, maybe third time.
Oh, third time. Do you have another account in episode?
No, mom, it's only one.
Oh, this is your third time in welcome session? Your third time in this welcome session?
Yeah, in episode din, but in your live, this is the first time.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Where did you find out about episode?
My friend recommend the
Okay.
episode.
I see. And can you please tell me about your free time? What do you like to do in your free time?
Free time maybe watch the movie or any kind of what are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Indonesia, okay.
Mhm. Last question, mister. Can you please tell me about your favorite food? What is your favorite food from your country?
My favorite food maybe I have a lot of favorite food, but
Mm-hmm.
sinigang, or sinigang in my country. I like
Oh,
sinigang.
sinigang. I know about sinigang.
You know sinigang?
Yes, I know about sinigang, about balut, about
Balot.
yes, yes, I know about balut. It's very popular in Indonesia.
Can try ma'am, balot?
No, I cannot try balut, but I
Okay.
really wanna try it. Thank
How
you,
you know balot ma'am?
because it's very popular in Indonesia and
Okay,
especially in
okay,
TikTok.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, I understand.
Thank you, Mr. Ronald. I just want to make sure, Mister, are you currently driving a car or you just waiting
Yes,
for some?
I'm driving a car as a Grab driver and
Mm-hmm,
Uber driver. At
mm-hmm,
so far, this is my lunch break.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So far, I can try to episode and while
Oh,
I'm rest.
mhm. Okay, okay. Welcome to episode, Mr. Ronald. Your English is really good. I will let you join here in episode. But I just want to remind about our policy. Please always showing your face and only one person on the camera. And please do not join while you are driving, okay? That's not safe
Okay,
for you.
okay, I understand now. I understand.
Thank you. After welcome session on the next page, you will automatically join in the conversation, okay? Thank you. Have a good day. Nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank
Okay.
you. Hello. Hi,
Hello.
nice to meet you, Ilyas. Welcome to Episoden. My name is Betrida, and I will be your welcome guide here in Episoden. Ilyas, can you please tell me about your name, your age, and your country? Where are you from?
Okay, my name is Silas Abdurrahman and my
Mm-hmm.
country is Indonesia and
Mm-hmm.
I live in Bekasi. Okay, Bekasi.
Bekasi. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay, okay.
I'm 18 years old. Okay.
Okay. Is this your first time in this platform?
Yes, don't not create account now in
Mm-hmm.
this afternoon.
Okay. It's okay. Go ahead. Okay. Where did you find out about episode in Elias? From TikTok or Instagram?
From my mentor English in the campus. Uh,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. It's okay, Elias. Please do not like don't be nervous. It's okay. Your English is really good. Don't worry.
I'm still learning. So,
It's okay. Don't worry. Last question, Elias. Can you please tell me about your favorite food from Indonesia? What is your favorite food?
okay. My favorite food is the
Mm-hmm.
steak,
Mm-hmm.
steak, steak
Mm-hmm.
barbecue,
Mm-hmm.
and beverage, juice
Mm-hmm.
in English.
Mm-hmm.
I forget.
Mm-hmm.
The
Mm-hmm.
juice orange. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you, thank you. Last question, can you please tell me about your weekend? Do you have any plan for the weekend?
In the weekend, my holiday is uh, um uh home. Uh,
Mhm,
the mountain.
mhm. Okay,
Mountain.
thank you, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, you wanna okay, okay. Thank you, Ilyas. Welcome to episode. So I will let you join here in episode. Please always make sure to showing your face and only one person on the camera, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. After welcome session on the next page, you will automatically join in the conversation. Thank you. Have a good day. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Thank you. Hello.
Dah. Tanya-tanya semua anjing. Amat minat, Cok. Kalau kalau adminnya Indo mah enak. Dianya. Kalau adminnya luar kayak Cina, Jepang gitu kagak bakal bisa jawab anjir. Kayaknya level, Cok. Level pilih yang paling bawah. Ya kalau tadi di tempat